welcome to another Dam's TV. It's Friday morning, we're starting a new job, so let me just show you around. It's not so much of a shagger for a Friday, but a bit of a nightmare really. Let me show you around. There's stuff everywhere. So let me start in here. As you come through the back door, they've built a toilet. Is it a toilet or a utility? I think it's a shower room. I don't think there's a cupboard going there, so I don't have to do anything with that, but I've got to board this bit. The guys have been waiting for me, the builder's been waiting, so he's done a bit of boarding himself. Saying nothing. So I've got to come in here. We've got to board this, board the ceiling, board all around there. That's being dabbed, but you see the wall's a bit pissed there. It goes a bit bigger. She wants me to try and level this up a bit, so that's all nice and straight and bonny. There's this doorway here to do. Round here to sort. There's all this to do. It's just stuff everywhere. There's this to float in. I think there's a set of doors going in here. Putting doors in there. There's obviously chases to do. There's this to do. I think that's going to be an opening. Moving into the dining room. Or actually, what's happening is that kitchen is being moved into here. So when that comes ripped out, I bet there's some stuff to do there. So I've that wall to do. He's going to brick that up to there. That's going to be bricked up, or a piece of 3x2 level with this. I've got to try and dab, so I keep that coving profile in. And then obviously cove round here. This fireplace is to be dabbed. Oh, there's all sorts to go on here. All sorts. Obviously chasing, fill that out, and the other side of this wall as well. Let me show you. Also, there's this to do as well. Jesus Christ. Oh man. That should be interesting, patching that in. Oh, I have to make a profile and patch it in. I'm impressed. I don't know what he's doing with that. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Anyway, obviously there's an here to sort out as well. Jesus Christ, there's stuff everywhere. Oh my floating. God. A little bit. So, we've got plenty to go at. And it's one of them jobs where you think to yourself, where do I start? So we're going to start in that bathroom and just make a start and see what happens. It's one of them, innit? Head down, arse up, just keep going and eventually it'll be done. Right. Come on, skin face. We're boarding. So I still can't be lifting anything. So, mind you, I bet I could help you, Liam, because it's only half a sheet, innit? Or you lift it and I'll screw it. Yeah, whatever. Right. Are you cutting then? What? You measure and cut. Do you some good. You're cutting. I'll be the screw boy. I'm the screw boy. Oh, he's losing his rag. Don't lose your rag. Wow, we've boarded the ceiling and we've insulated the walls ready. Liam's boarding. So we're going to have a word with Dave. See what he's like on camera. What are you up to, Dave? Oh my God, what's this? Are you camera shy?
No.
Oh.
Well, I'm on goal.
You want any building work doing?
Yeah. I'm not signing on, I'll do it.
D&M Construction.
Might be better sneak away for a minute.
All right.
While I just unscrew this window.
Yeah, that'll do it. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Try not damage the plaster.
Window I'm trying to save.
That'll be alright, that. We can glue that. Super glue it back up. Go on, lad.
Yeah.
Lovely. Back on this job. We had a load of trouble yesterday with the drill. Skin face, we got to charge the battery. So we got a bollocking. Not hard, is it though? The battery's flat, charge it. The other two batteries are knackered.
The battery's gone down.
I did tell you, but... DeWalt, your stuff's good, but these batteries need to start lasting a bit longer, especially at 90 quid a pop. Right, it's mixing up time. Liam's mixing up with a new drill. Ooh. I've sped it up a little bit too quick, I think, here. But basically, this is me lashing on. Get it lashed on, Damo. I'm improving every day after the hernia operation. And just keep doing that little bit more and getting my speed back up. Go on, lad. Move out the way. Move out the way, people. It's always the same, innit? As soon as you start doing something, everyone else wants to be in your room. Bang. They're lashing it on. Liam is going in that toilet, lashing that on. And I'm just doing these two walls. And we ran out of stuff, and then I was like, all right, look at my arse on shoulder. Could park a bike in that. Like the cool t-shirts though. There's my arse again. Like that t-shirt. Looks good from the back. Available at the merch store. Check out the merch. I'm telling lies actually. I don't think that one is available on the merch store. Bit of laying down here. This job was an absolute nightmare. There was bits everywhere. Do you want to see part 2 for more bits? There's more bits in that. It's a flipping nightmare. It's one of them jobs where you just can't wait to be done and get off. It's horrible. Everywhere you look. Right. I've gone downhill. Liam's done a good job there, actually. It's a good job like that. You've done a good job there. You just need to start putting more on. Got a little bit there where the bead, that's where the bead vibrates and pierces through. We're going to put a bit more on there. Good job that, Liam.
I'm going to stick some fat in it tomorrow, like.
Yeah, a bit of fat in it, yeah. So we've got this, Liam will skim this tomorrow. And he'll skim in there. We're going home, we're having half a day. Sometimes you just need half a day. That's what I got on. So tomorrow I'll rackle that on and I'll patch this in. Then I'll float round these. Prep all these out tomorrow afternoon. And then we can move some of this tackle out of the way. Once I'm done, we can move some of the tackle out of the way. And we can get at that then. But that's it for today. Because I've gone downhill. Bloody cough. Right, well, it's dinner time. I don't know what to have for my dinner. Ooh, yeah. You're right. It's a Friday.
She tells me we've all got to fucking stuff.
Oh, yes.
Children's BBC, not a
Ooh.
Well, it's another PI disaster
Shut up, I've got your party. I'll smash out of it. How's that?
What did you say? Nothing, I don't know, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Your pie.
Right, I'll get it now.
Right, quick update on this job. I don't really know where I'm up to with the filming, but so editing it'll be quite funny.
Red to your ass.
My head is up my ass. Everywhere you look, there's stuff to do. Look at that. Look at that lot. That's oak. So this beam is an oak beam. If any plaster gets on that, it'll just go black straight away. And it's an old oak beam as well, so we need to really protect that. So that's another thing we need to do. Here's something else we've done. This got thrown up as a bit of a curveball. So I realise if you look at the brickwork, and then you look at these here, they seems to be take harder to come off. And I just happened to ask the builder, was it hard to get that bit off? And he said, oh, yeah. I said, well, was it a damp course? And he went, oh yeah, I think it was. So we've just basically got SBR and some cement and slurried it. It's all slurried up now, so that'll hold back the damp. So Monday morning when we come back over the weekend, it's Friday afternoon, we're going to dab this wall. And we can't do anything because we're waiting for the building inspector to look at this. But once I think that's why my head's up my arse, because usually I'll go through the job and board it all, right? So it's all boarded and ready to go. But on this job I can't, because I can't do that because that's done in. I can't do that because that's not done. I can't. And I'm like, well, what can I do? And then you find something else that you've not seen. Right, anyway, let me show you what we have done. So I patched that, we skimmed this wall, as you've probably seen if I put it in. There's skim face. We've skimmed that. I've skimmed this wall where the cupboards were. We've skimmed this limb face? Who's limb face? Limb face, skim face has done this room. And you know what? He's not done a bad job at all, if I do say so. Shut up. You mean he's done a shit job? I'm not paying him. So I just left him on his own in here, and you know what? He's done a good job. And then obviously you're plastering, and then you go, oh, I've not seen. Oh, here it comes. I've not seen this. And you're like, what am I supposed to do there? It's another headache again. Ideally, what I'd like to do is board everything, dab everything, and then get the bonding coat mixed and fill everything in. But let me show you this in here. Obviously that needs bonding out, because it's kind of back too far, that. So that needs bonding out, just to bring it level so that when we skim it, it's okay. Let me show you this. Look at this lot. Oh, get the new extension pole. Go gadget pole. I'm gonna have to sort that out, Anna. I'm gonna have to sort this out, but the wall is prouder than the casing. And I think the house has moved. You see how it's quite wide at the bottom. But at the top, it's only half inch. So I've had to sort out. So really, ideally, what I want is some plantons here, level with them, and then I can just float it round. That'd be the ideal situation. But moving into the living room, we've got this going on. Again, that's too far back, so it needs floating out. That is wood, so that needs, and it's really far back. So that could probably do with maybe double boarding. And then that's a concrete lintel, that's why it's not stuck. So there's all sorts going on here. We have managed to fill a bit of stuff out. We had some bonding left, so adhesive left, so we filled it out. But I mean, look at that lot. And then what do you do with that? So, I hate jobs like this. They just throw all sorts up at you, and you're trying to flipping get it done. But what can we do? But that's the end of the video, people. Well, that's the end of this part.